Hi there, and welcome. Today, we're going to show you just how easy it is to use a powerful tool for any logistics or manufacturing operation, the Object Validator, Tiliter's Vision AI agent. Let's get started. Step 1. From your main dashboard, we'll head over to the test studio. This is where you can try out any Vision AI agent with your own images. Step 2. Use the drop-down menu to select the Vision agent you want to use. We'll choose the Object Validator. Step 3. Next, let's give it an image to analyze. We'll upload a photo of chemical barrels in a warehouse. Step 4. Now, we need to tell the agent what specific objects it should look for. In the context box, you simply type in the specific object detail. For this example, we'll look for blue drums with white label. Step 5. Finally, just hit Test again and let the AI get to work. And there you have it. The AI has completed its validation. It instantly scanned the image and confirmed that blue drums with white label are present, giving us an overall status with 99% confidence. It's that fast, simple, and incredibly accurate. From the factory floor to the shipping dock, the Object Validator helps you automate manual checks, prevent errors, and ensure every order is complete and correct. This is about giving your team a smarter way to work. This is the power of Tiliter's Object Validator. Get instant insights without the technical headaches.